Are your marketing dollars disappearing into the digital abyss? Today, we're plugging you in with a simple, powerful tool to track your leads, the Follow Up Boss Pixel and its connection to Facebook. First, head over to your Follow Up Boss account, go to Admin, then Pixels and Integrations, and finally, click on the Facebook Pixel tab, copy the Follow Up Boss Pixel ID provided. Next, jump over to Facebook Events Manager if you haven't already. Create a pixel if you have one. Select it and click on Settings, scroll down to the bottom of the page and paste that Follow Up Boss Pixel ID into the Partner Integrations section. Now, it's time to set up custom conversions in Events Manager. Click Create Custom Conversion, give your conversion a descriptive name, like FUB lead under event. Select URL contains and then enter the URL of your thank you page, which confirms a successful lead capture. To make sure this conversion is firing correctly, head back to Follow Up Boss and set up an automation that redirects leads to your thank you page after they submit a form. This step is critical for accurate tracking. Finally, within Facebook Ads Manager, when creating your ad campaigns, select your newly created custom conversion in the Conversion Event section. This tells Facebook to optimize your ads for lead generation and allows you to track your ROI. Congratulations! You've now successfully integrated the Follow Up Boss Pixel with Facebook. Start tracking your website activity, optimizing your campaigns, and boosting your ROI.